Hello everyone. In the previous session, we have seen aggregation using multithreading. Here we will try to understand with a hands-on demo. If you see here, we have an aggregate HR system task. So in this particular task, we have a field known as enable partitioning. So we have to check this particular checkbox in order to enable the partitioning. And we have one more field which is objects per partitioning. So here we have to mention the number of objects that each thread is going to handle. Now we will see some of the objects that need to be modified. One of the object is server object. So in this object, we have to mention the max request threads, which is the maximum number of threads that we are going to request to perform the aggregation. Here we have mentioned it as 4. And one more object is service definition request object. So this service definition request object is generally US server. So as we had discussed earlier, in the US server handles the requests that come from the end users, which are like requesting forms. In this we have a field known as host. So in this host, we have to give the host names of the servers that are present. Here we have given it as server 1 and server 2. In the similar way, we have one more object which is task object. So this task object generally handles the request comes from the task definitions. Here also in the host field, we have to give the host names of the servers that are present. Here we have given it as server 1 and server 2. And one more object is request definition object. In this there is an object aggregate partition. Here we have to give max number of threads that we are going to use, which is 4. Before performing aggregation, we can also use some of the online available tools to observe the configurations or to observe the core speeds. So here I have used Species software. Here we can see we have 4 cores that are present, and we can observe the core speed, multiplier, and the thread IDs that are present. So after performing the aggregation, we can see the increase in the core speed. Now let's run this task. So in the task result, we can see the task that is being run. So if you observe here, we have totally 4 number of threads, and each thread is handling around 80 identities. And if you observe this tool, we can see a slight increase in the speed. So if we have more number of identities, we can see more change in the core speed. As we have only less number of identities, the change is small. So here the aggregation has been completed for 306 identities. And if you observe here, we have 4 threads and each thread is been executed, and each one is handling around 80 identities. So we have a documentation which is partitioning best practices documentation in Compass, SailPoint Compass. So I have referred this documentation to perform the aggregation using multi-threading. If you observe here, we have server object, service definition object, request definition object, which is modified. So for more information, we can refer to this particular documentation, which is partitioning best practices. Thank you.